This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: alloy wheels, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a premium sound system, running boards, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Come experience the Drive Baby advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.